Look at roads in your town. Some run side by side and never meet. Others cross at perfect right angles. How do we know which is which using equations? Let's find out. Parallel lines never meet. They always stay the same distance apart. The rule is simple. Parallel lines have equal gradients. If m1 equals m2, the lines are parallel. Perpendicular lines cross at 90 degrees like a plus sign. Their rule: multiply the two gradients and you get -1. m1 times m2 equals -1. Think of it like this. Flip the fraction and change the sign. Gradient 2 becomes -1/2. Check. 2 times -1/2 equals -1. They are perpendicular. Example 1. Are y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 5 parallel, perpendicular, or neither? Both have gradient 3. Equal gradients means they are parallel. See on the graph? Both lines slope the same way and never touch. The y-intercepts differ, but the gradients match. That confirms parallel. Example 2. Find the equation through point 4, 1, perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3. The gradient is 2, so the perpendicular gradient is -1/2. Use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Substitute. Y minus 1 equals -1/2 times x minus 4. Simplify to get y equals -1/2 x plus 3. Common mistake. Students forget the negative sign. The product must be -1, not +1. Also remember, flip the fraction and change the sign. Both steps matter. Remember this: same slope, same direction, that's parallel. Flip the fraction and negate, that's perpendicular. In exams, always check your sign. -1 is the key number. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, past questions, and exam tips. See you in the next video.